Greetings, interwebs. This week, mad dash to the finish. Got the last few finishing people coming, painters, plumber, trying to get everything wrapped up by the end of the week so we can get moved in. Brian's not quite sure because the sheetrock finishing guys will be here sometime this week. They weren't quite sure. He's trying to light a fire under him, get him here today or tomorrow, but we'll see. And nothing else can move until they're done, because you can't paint the walls before the guys come and sand and plaster. You can't put the toilet in until the wall where the toilet goes is finished. It's just, that's all that's left. There's the electrician coming to just fix that one light switch. That's one simple, quick, nothing really. But yeah, that's it. Just finish these last few things. We're moving in. And then, cable videos. Then I gotta start hanging my rack, doing my networking stuff. Yeah, Bubba is gonna love that one. And I know Roz can't wait. She loves cable videos, and I think she's got the hots for Bubba. So we'll see. So stand by. Well, greetings, interwebs. I had a bunch of video of me assembling the mailbox. You know, it was an unboxing video. I thought, hey, cool, yeah. So, yeah, I put it all together, assembled everything. Then went out and sank the post in the ground, put the cement around it. And right as I got started, it started raining. And so that's why this next scene you'll see is me talking about I'm drenched, soaking wet. And then a couple of days later, cut off the excess from the pole, and then I think I got that video. So yeah, but no, for some reason, all the video of everything I did with the mailbox just gone. Don't know why. Don't know what happened to it. It's just gone. Well, that was frustrating. I had to get the post in for the mailbox, but I had to wait on Alicia to get there with the concrete, because my route back from the office, I don't go past the Home Depot or anything, and she works right next door to Home Depot, so I had her pick it up for me. Well, as you saw, right before she arrived, it started raining. So I was out there in the rain getting soaked. And then, it's okay, I got the pole put in, I think a little bit extra down, plenty of space. Put the mailbox on the post. I forgot there's those cross pieces inside it. So now, I gotta come back with a saw and saw the end off that 4x4. Saw about a foot off of it. Probably gonna take the van to work tomorrow because I am so soaking wet. My car, my seat is getting soaking wet. What a day. The cleaning ladies were there when I got there. They did a good job cleaning the place. The screens are in. Finishing guy came, did a lot of work sanding and all that, plastering up, but didn't finish. Told Ryan he was. I walked in and said, no. They plastered a lot of stuff that I guess was still wet. They couldn't sand it. And they left and said, okay, it's done. No, it's got to be sanded. I'm not too happy with that, because the painters are coming tomorrow. What are you going to paint over the bad stuff and then come back later and sand it? What, paint again? As you may have noticed, I'm in a grumpy mood now. I just want to go home, get all these soaking wet clothes, take a hot shower, and eat something. So, I'll see you later. the painters came, did their thing, painted the trim, painted the walls, painted out a lot of the outside. So the house got a nice second coat. Big thing is the bathrooms. All the trim on the floor was very rough. That all got finished. And of course the walls got repainted where all that repair work was done. Kind of concerned though is paint that. There's still, as you can see, quite a few bad spots. The finishing guy just totally didn't get. Kind of not happy with that. You got all up in here. Paint it all up in here real nice, but come over here and you'll see a lot more places like this that the finishing guys did not finish. So the painters came in and painted because, well, they're painters. They paint. They're not finishing wallpaper or wallboard people. So all that up there, I don't know if you can see it in the video, looking pretty darn rough.
Oh, there it is. It's not going anywhere.
And there it is. Mailbox mounted. I can now go to the post office and tell them, start sending my mail here. Well, some good news. Today, one of my sofas arrived.
Oh!
Yep. We were sitting here in a FedEx truck pull up out front. I was like, well, surely it's not coming here. I haven't ordered anything. Nope. It was all in a box. That thing, it's a futon. So it just all folds up and makes a nice big square bundle thing. The arms pop off, the back lays down, and makes it a little bed. It's great for extra bed space. The other one, they were supposed to be delivered Monday, but hey, they came early. Or at least one of them did. And then the other one will go there, make it like an L with a space between. So Monday or Tuesday, they should sign off on it, and then we can take possession and start moving in. So, this close.